If you're having trouble pairing your Square Reader to your phone or tablet, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try to get things back up and running. Check and make sure that your device's operating system is up to date. Just navigate to the Settings app of your Apple or Android device. Once you confirm your device's software is on the most recent version, double-check that you're using a compatible device. You can check out our full list of compatible devices at square.com/compatibility. Next, make sure that you're using the most recent version of the Square Point of Sale app by heading to the App Store on an Apple device or the Play Store on an Android device. Next, make sure that your Square Reader has enough charge to pair with your device. You can check the battery level on your Square Reader by tapping the small button on the side. If you see green flashing lights, your reader is fully charged. We recommend attempting to repair your reader on a full battery. Next, you can try resetting the Bluetooth connection between your device and the Square Reader. On your phone or tablet, tap into the Bluetooth section of your settings. Under Devices, you should see the Square Reader listed. On an Apple device, tap the information symbol, then Forget this device. On an Android device, tap the gear icon and then Forget. Once you have unpaired the Square Reader from your phone or tablet, you'll need to reboot the Square Reader itself. Press and hold the button on the Square Reader for around 10 to 15 seconds. As you hold the button, the lights on the reader will flash orange, and then red, and then should flash off. Once the lights flash off, your reader has been rebooted. Before you repair your reader, toggle your Bluetooth settings off. Then toggle back on. Next, turn your phone or tablet off and let it rest for 30 seconds. Then turn your device back on. Now, it's time to try and pair your Square Reader. On your phone or tablet, tap into the Square Point of Sale app. Tap the menu icon, Settings, and Hardware. From here, you can select the Square Reader and tap the Connect to Reader button. Follow the instructions on the screen on your device to begin pairing your reader. If the troubleshooting steps are successful, you'll see a confirmation on your screen that your reader is ready. To learn more, head to square.com/help and search keywords Reader Troubleshooting.